Hello, welcome to our quick video demonstration on how you add IP phones and SIP devices to your Teams, Microsoft Teams tenant. So within the Teams Admin Center, you see on this left-hand navigation side, we've got Teams devices. So quite a few options here, so connecting sort of video conferencing devices, etc. But in this demonstration, we just want to connect an IP phone. So we click on phones. In the top right hand corner, it's not that clear to see, but there's an actions button, and if you click on provision devices. Now what you need for this process is the MAC address of your IP phone. I'll go through our blog in a minute, which details the phones that are supported on Microsoft Teams. These are specialist Teams phones from the likes of Yealink and Polycom. However, don't go by that exact blog in terms of the phones that are supported, because we've actually tested quite a few IP phones that are not specialist Teams phones, and you can get the majority of them to connect. So it's the same process. It's just there are specialist Teams phones devices that have LCD screens, so you can have video calls and extra functions, but most ordinary SIP or IP phones will work with Teams. So first of all, we're going to grab the MAC address from the phone in question. You should find that on the back of your IP phone. So if we just click on add here, I've got a MAC address that I've already grabbed. Just type it in. I'm going to enter locations, or I'll just say Newbury office or Newbury, and I click apply. So once you've done that, you can see the MAC address is listed here. Its location is Newbury. Now we need to create a generate a verification code. So if we click on generate verification code, you see we've now got a verification code 176400. Now on our blog, on our website, if we just click on here, we do a complete demonstration or a walkthrough on how you configure an IP phone. So in this example, we've actually configured it on a very basic Yealink T21P phone. So you need to obviously go into your phone's menu status, get the IP address of your phone, and go onto the admin screen. Log in with a usual default username and passwords, and then on the Yealink phones, you've got an auto provision section within the settings, and all you need to do is enter the Microsoft auto provision URL. And on this blog here, we've got the list of servers, the Microsoft auto provisioning servers. So because we're in Europe, we've used this one, EMEA one. So literally all you need to do is plug that into your Yealink or Polycom or Mitel phone. Click confirm to confirm the auto provisioning process. Once that auto provisioning process, the phone will contact Microsoft. It will grab its sort of basic configuration file, and then you simply need to grab your authentication code, your verification code that we just received a minute ago from the Teams Admin Center. So this verification code here, just click back here, and simply on your IP phone on the keypad, dial *55* followed by the verification code. Once you've done this process, a message should pop up on the LCD screen. So something looking like this, which gives you a code below, and where to go to log on to verify that device. So if we just click on / so just open that link, microsoft.com/device logon. Oh, can't spell Microsoft. Okay, so it's now going to ask us for that authentication code. So I'm just going to add my authentication code. So if I enter the correct code, click next. I now need to obviously log in to Microsoft. Oh, that's because I've got caps locks on. Doesn't help. And that is simply that. You've now connected your phone to Microsoft Teams. So if you go and have a view of the phone, you will see that it is connected and has picked up your Teams Direct routing telephone number and is now twinned with your Teams client. Thanks very much.